Welcome to the unboxing of the Hansshow Model 3 and Model Y dashboard touchscreen swiveling mount kit. So this is the thing, and I'm gonna open it. Very tough. So as from first sight, it's very minimalistic black, my favorite color. It tells you what it is and the little representation of it in the car. So from first opening it, it's magnetic, very cool, very stylish. You open it. Here's the instructions and color and step by step, so probably very easy installation. The little stuffings, and then here's a little thing, the tools that you need, a thing for the front, for the dashboard, other little thing. And then here is the mount. I like how everything was like very compacted and put together nice and neatly. Here's the mount. Very nice, great quality aluminum. As you can hear, it's heavy too, pretty cool, which is nice. And that's it. Thank you for watching the unboxing. And the next video will be the installation of the mount. Thank you. Bye.